Well, today is another end of day video, and I sprayed the inside of the rear fenders with Flex Seal. And I tell you what, that is as good an undercoating as you could want. It's every bit as good as truck bed liner. I mean, it's tough. It adheres great. So yeah. I should write them a letter and tell them to do a commercial about using it as undercoating instead of plugging holes in your gutter. And let's see, what else did I do today? Ah, yeah. Finished up the gauges. They came out good. I mean, they are 55-year-old gauges, so there were some discolorations, but get it in focus. Yeah, they came out good. I don't know why it's so out of focus. Where's one of those little ones? Yeah, amp meter. Yeah, I'm happy with them. Let's see. And I ran a vacuum line from the master cylinder to the manifold. And we made a parts run to the paint finisher. We gave them our sprayed sample. This is a Sherwin Williams color, and Kenny's contact is now working for Finish Master, and they don't carry naturally Sherwin Williams, so we took that to them and said match it, and they, oh, there it is. So they came up with this. We'll have to see how that, we're going to spray a card out tomorrow and see how it compares. If it's not a real close match, then we'll just go back to Sherwin Williams. And we're going to get ready to put the car on the lift. Make it a little easier to hang the fenders when they're at a little higher up, so you don't have to bend over all the time. You know, when you get old, the back goes. So, yeah, that's it. Later.